Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me for my graduation, and yeah, so let's just get ready with me and do my makeup. So let's go. So starting off with this get ready with me, we are going to use the Clinique Moisturizer and put that with the primer and mix that together, and we'll put just all over our face. Next, for foundation, we're going to use the Clinique foundation, which I use a lot, and we're just going to blend this out with a beauty blender, and make sure you wet your beauty blender. It's going to make it look better on the face, and it'll actually stay on better. For concealer, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this will put on our acne, redness, and the tiredness under our eyes, and we're just also going to blend that in with the beauty blender. To set our concealer and foundation, we're going to use the Tarte loose powder, and we're going to bake that, or we're going to at least try to, and then we're going to just use the Maybelline Fit Me powder and set the powder and all our makeup that we already put on. And now for blush, we're going to use the Tarte blush in the color Paartyy, just to give us a little color on our cheeks. And now for that highlight, that glow, we're going to use the Colourpop highlight in Smokin Whiskers, and then we're going to add an extra highlighter, and we're going to use the Balm MaryLou highlighter, and this will just give you more of that glow, and it'll be very nice. And now for the eyes, we're going to use the Naked Basic 2 by Decay. I use the palette a lot, and we're going to use the color First Cover and Primo, and this will do like a smoky eye look. And then we're actually going to add a little more pop, and we're going to use the Stilla liquid glitter in the color Kitten, and that will just give you a much more pop of color. Now we're going to just curl our lashes with a Revlon eyelash curler, and we're going to use the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara, which this mascara is amazing, and I recommend it. Now we got to set that makeup, so we're going to use that e.l.f. setting spray, which I really recommend, and it's $3 at the drugstore or just anywhere. And lastly is the lips, and we're going to use the Clinique Lipstick and Lipgloss. It's just a very nice, simple color that we put on our lips. And now for the hair portion of this look, my friend Nikki did my hair. You guys should definitely check her out on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Nikki Steve. I will leave a link down below. She used the curly iron that Gabrielle Marie recommended, and she had a code. So the curly iron was called Duvolle, I think it's called. I'll leave it down below. Definitely check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in next Sunday's video, which will be the vlog from my graduation.